Back with a quick update for gold and oil 13th of February. Welcome back. We're going to take a look at gold and oil, but first look at the US dollar index. Today this is the 4-hour chart. Huge spike to the upside, and that was because of the CPI data which came in hot. It's beaten all expectations and therefore the dollar is rising. So on the flip side of that, when we go over to gold, gold is falling heavy. We've got these lows here, support around the 2000 level. If we drop a bit further, 1972 level, let's go on to the daily and see what could happen. We've been slowly grinding down. We could form a double bottom here, we could form a double bottom here. I'm going to wait for the price reversal candle, and then gold is a buy. Right, so let's go to the 1 hour and see how we're reacting. Straight away after the news, we're starting to bounce. I'm not going to buy straight in here. I'm going to wait and see how price reacts. If we go back to the dollar quickly, and the 4 hour, every time the dollar spikes, consolidate, spike, consolidate, spike, consolidate, the same again. Here I believe we're going to consolidate and then reverse, which is going to give gold that boost. Now it is Chinese New Year, so during the Asian session there is going to be thinner liquidity. And just noticing here as well, we had the inverse head and shoulder pattern. It's not clear as day, but that has pretty much just hit the target. So again, you could expect profit taking on the dollar. Now let's go to oil. I've marked this major resistance support area. Look, every time we ping into this area above or below, we're finding support. Now I'll be looking for short-term trades into $79 as the first target, and then coming out to the daily, back to these highs, 79.5. So that's all for gold and oil. But touching back on CPI quickly, it's the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation. So the reason we've had the reaction in gold and the dollar is because hedge funds and portfolio managers, they're adjusting their portfolio on the back of this higher inflation data, because they believe perhaps the Federal Reserve may not reduce interest rates as quickly as they were going to. Now I don't buy into that at all. I think the middle of this year the Federal Reserve will reduce interest rates. So that's all for gold and oil right now. I'll be back in the week. Good luck with your trading. If you want to see some of the hottest stocks right now, click this next video. Take care.